Yeah, man, big up every viewers, the man, the subscriber, them, you see it. Yeah, man, everybody who tune into Sandy and Bone Steve. And you don't know if I'm Gulliver pass where the Amari are going with a bag of things, you see it. Him a call up L.A. Lewis and say, L.A. Lewis, take a kitty cat in her sleep, you see it. So, you don't know. L.A. Lewis forward tonight and speaking, man, my RT have a reason, you see it. Two over, man, you see me? Yeah, man, in this attack, I really go down. And my talk what really take we Gully Bop life and Amari X man and them thing there. You must say some things you see it, so you have to just go and tune into the video for hear what I say you see it. So just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see me? Yeah man. And set speed man say yo Queen you owe him £3,000. Yeah man, for Queen if you pay him up some money after Sting and Queen never pay him up. Yes, I had that forward up in the video, you see me?
Can't get the supernatural big one there because it never pop up like vocabulary. The experiment means fucking I just start to me raw. So when you try to say experiment with the fuck you know they would have
No man, experiment mean no musically when everybody said she can't boss and nobody can no producer nobody enough or no marketing manager nobody enough. No man, Amari come run our studio, run a building block trillionaire record. I run the so Escobar now from Vibes Cartel can't bring her come. And when she come around there now and Escobar introduce her to me now, I'ma charge her $20,000 for do the song for her. Cause she want 2 songs for do. But when we go in her studio, we say she can't do the song. And then me get Danger now or the injury which you know Danger. Cause the G go with it there. You understand? Trillionaire record / building block record. So what happened now? She can't voice for life. So me get Dangerous at auto-tune the voice. But when the money time come now, Amari go in her purse and they dig up and say, she that lost the money or something and could pay me. And me say, alright now. So after that now she go out forward and come back. I will check say Amari come back with the money. Amari come back and say, she will we do another song. And she pay a little piece of the money. Me not go tell her lie. Me not go put her down. But she still never pay the full amount of money. So when we do some boom now, and they're around there, I saw Gully Bop come check me now. So when Gully Bop come check me now, Rhoda Jigo, Rhoda Chillionaire record, I saw now, she said she want to do a combination with Gully Bop now, so I introduce her to Gully Bop.
Chillionaire record. And my uncle plays, and my uncle studio. We work outside by L.A. and take up a little team to run it. So that's why I say me know the studio, yeah, because my uncle will produce that we have money in Jamaica. Yeah, where L.A. from. Continue, L.A.
Yes, I run a Chillionaire record now. Because I remember say, we dare run it off. You understand? So, I saw now Gully Bop now introduce Gully Bop to Amari. And she and Gully Bop now, they round there, they try to do the song and the song never they do. Them tell Danger say, if you put some auto-tune on it. So after that now, we are going to see when she and Gully Bop drive behind her taxi. You understand? And then from that now, a couple of weeks after now, we see about Gully Bop. You understand? And then now, when she come and she and Gully Bop finally do this song, so we say, alright now, we are going to drop Gully Bop in the video. So I'm going to go for Wayne South now, the video man now. And Wayne South charge her. You hear me or you don't hear me? RT.
Really? Yeah, me hear you. You said we to charge her and you break up.
Yeah, so Wayne South charge her the money now. And when Wayne South charge her the money now, she give him part of the money, but she, at the time, I say me manage her career because remember say, we say we go boss her because at the time me and
hold on again. Alright. So you don't think you never have sex with Amari?
No, we never have sex, I will never have sex and can never have sex with Amari because remember say
Amari said that you and her was in something and the reason why she leaves you. I'm going to maybe you remember because you're ex-abuser. I'm going to remember you Amari that you're next good too. Amari come and said me and Ellen Lewis is in relationship and the reason why we did Ellen Lewis is because Ellen Lewis come by the beach over Elsha. And Ellen Lewis said Amari, if you want your career, kneel down wrong right here. And I said, do that. I know it.
No, first thing now, you know Elsha and you know over Gloria's or over the stay. So not like that. And then while we were on the over Gloria's, I may buy her the fish and the lobster, we were on live. So go to
Okay. So you were kind of to do with fish and lobster.
no, they would not tell you already. Say when Amari went time the boy beat her up and Colin beat her up, man. Cause remember said the whole of with their part them time there and me and she and Dr. Love star up social media. So the whole of we had it friend until Amari now stick to the script now and start come off with her madness now and then she tell life and Dr. Love said Dr. Love got a quote. I was Amari, okay. I just alright, she done with it and she and Dr. Love barely turn back friend till she go out with one bag of thing for Dr. Love again. And then after that now when she go tell lies a gully back.
You're denying that you're getting a relationship with Amari.
The hungry reason I'm doing the show with her because at the end of the day, me and you come from far. So you already know say everything what Amari talk a lie because remember said in those times and see even my wife they said I mean Nick, she can't tell her when we lay down in a bed and Amari and me plan out the thing and me and Dr. Love and Ninja Man them plan out the thing.
Remember you didn't make me talk to Amari. Yeah?
And even my wife you have to talk to Amari.
Yeah.
May I talk to the Empress? Empress.
Hello?
Yes, Empress. Well, you're alright, like, we think to the man, you graciously must bring the man and think to that the idea. What are you saying on that?
LA met me and Amari talk on phone and Amari just gets so jealous because she love LA, but LA never like her.
Oh, so she always wants anything with it.
Yes.
So that's a no. So you already know say RT say Amari no in my class now as much as me in our Wobia war, she not in your class neither. You understand? So Amari was just a person who would bust on social media the hype the dead away make a whole heap of money for social media. Can you remember them time that too? You understand? So from Tina Chin them days now rapper crap of them days when we had Dr. Love them in a peer war. So they make money so we still gonna script it out.
What you think what's wrong with Gully Bob? Alright, it's very fast told rest is in a long time friend of yours. What you have to say about this party?
Well, it is sad enough. Cause you go on now. First thing, you see if Amari never tell lie upon the man and make the man get arrested, the man would have still in America. And even if a AIDS Gully Bop have or a sick with him kidney or what, Gully Bop would get good health care in America. Cause remember say he wasn't getting good health care down here, so I know I don't starve you Gully Bop. Yes, and remember say me go look for Gully Bop in the hospital. So what happened now? The doctor don't want to tell him to Gully Bop. So but you don't know me have my ways to get it. But remember Colin dead by AIDS. And me can 100% prove it. And 6 months after Amari maga down like thread, maga down like shoes lace.
But little more you understand. I heard the news of
No, you're mad man. We got
but if you're time, but if you're time, such a magnitude of allegation from
RT, listen me no man. Colin live, mama tell you what Colin live. Hold on no man, mama tell you what Colin live no man. Cause sickness, them they say cause Colin maga down, big thick Colin maga down. I them get big in head like bulk.
Alright. So if you're saying that means you're saying that that's a legacy where we never know.
No, remember say, hold on, man. You forgot say a Golden Spring. God knows if there. And Red is the right side of Golden Spring. So and you have whole heap of links at Jamaica. Cause when we there set table me and you a Spanish town. So you can call two of your soldier them. Figure out a Colin yard and go ask anybody if Colin can you have your links. So nobody play with their RTLX. So as much as I say, me tell people say you have links at your yard a big tick. So go ask. Colin maga down like thread.
Something. You know, I'm TikTok. You can't come over TikTok. I'm on TikTok live now. I'm pulling it at podcast. You know, TikTok.
Now, I do have a TikTok page and I do son. So,
like how you are a reader, man. I'm a reader, man. And like how you go where we have to check and thing in line. Where you want lie and tell the people when they look out for before you leave, like what them know LA response. Do you have any prophecy?
Well, tell the people them get them Nyan Kepong Maroon ID because once the 2030 agenda come in, them are going to start drop on that thing again like I see Amari drop down any minute now. Because remember me tell you, say, she should trouble one trouble her. So people them now go back and fund her again too tough. So when her medication run out, you're going to find out if a liposuction she take.
How come from the years I know you from a child growing up, I used to see a name all over the world, man. LiQWYD. And I never hear with that song. I remember the last time they talk about LiQWYD that clash Guzu when I was a little boy. And I go into school and I heard that they run from the taxi, never come from the taxi. So LA, the question is, going about the other negative things you go and put out there. What is your legacy in your time from when you should pass? What everybody should do at LA?
No, RT, remember from we introduce you to the social media the real way. And from me introduce Gully Bop to social media, me introduce Amari to social media, me introduce Dr. Love to social media, my boss Jiggy Star Boy in England, and in their run things, so we introduce Rapper Crapper, we introduce Tina Chin, and millions of people, and me first turn dancer and a singer, and me produce Boog. RT, remember say me still have receipt, RT, me introduce her to social media to man, remember? RT, remember say me still have receipt with the way you send money to Western Union from man, remember? Until now me still have the receipt them, because I want to dash them receipt them. Alright, so that me tell them, man, so then I still promote the thing, the man, so, yes, and so I'm not wrong with that, because, remember I said before me, boss, you know, me used to pay a thing called Vibes Card for promote for me. So if you pay me for do some promotion for you, nothing wrong with that. A business. You make money, we make money.
Who are some celebrity I work inside the because I'm not gonna get some famous for them and I know that them say you can't talk, but remember you come talk right and get famous. So who are these big celebrity you have clients with our fans and all because they name are popular. So who you give me an idea of
no, remember say somebody me can call me, I can call Movado call me name, and I can call Spice too, because you know say me and you work for Spice. I don't think you still work for her, but me still work for her because she said her money we know then. Come check me. You understand? And then Amari, me used to work for Amari till she start now pay the money and she got Africa when she finish pay me the others some money. And from she got Africa, yes, she say I pay judgment take her the man over Africa that was good. And me say she come around at you. But me don't know if I pay she pay you.
Oh, yeah, what about that? Well, I'm going to alright. Mavado, bye. What do you mean? But I understand.
No, remember some Movado tell us the emperor are the baddest science man on the planet. Remember some Movado and me build Movado ring. And him tell people about me, but my other client them now who wish to be anonymous, I can't call for them name. Patient confidentiality or client confidentiality. And big up Joshi, cause Joshi tell them say my ring are the baddest ring, so Joshi, big up Joshi. Remember say Joshi tell them say, yo, the ring about me and them yo, you can't listen to LA Lucy my mad man, and Joshi say bring and when Joshi jump out of the car, left all of them. And by the time the car grew on the car and Joshi jump out of the car and go in a taxi, remember say I run 200 at the most ring me get for after that. So big up Joshi. Joshi big me up enough.
Alright, big up Joshi. So alright, so big up the original artist from that thing. Alright, so what you're doing for the Queen now?
Huh?
What you do for the Queen? What the parking? What you do for the Queen?
Well, me get she and do it back together and then after that now she just disappear then. Yes, and if she pay me, must say £3,000 and never pay me. So after that now she can do it pop up, so I don't know what go on. But me have to big her up said you because a good girl.
Queenie, give you £3,000 to give her do it with.
No, 3,000 me say. At 10,000 me charge her, so her money enough. But all of a sudden now, after Sting, she did give me £3,000 more and never give me. You understand? And then after I think a year, I used to work with her, but big her up and a good girl. And then people to support her. And you know, say me rich already, so treat. Well, on Artie, I know, say me rich, so £3,000 no matter. So she and my friend said we. So anytime she ready for me finish up the work for her, tell her to come.
Alright, so we got to put that data, baby, or share my body. Where the machine now?
Who Spice? Nah, man, Spice tell everybody about me, man. I don't have to tell everybody about it. Everybody knows how me work for Spice, but even one day when and Spice come give me the $20,000 US. Yeah, son, I'm gonna set the table for Spice. Spice hide her thing. Spice, I want the queen to hide her thing. The queen up fully Guzu. And you know too. Big up Spice, I know what she did. She not hide. And the baddest thing for the planet. And she gonna win the Grammy this year. And if she don't win the Grammy this year, we retire. If she don't win the Grammy, we retire. You can get a coach my drive my face, so catch the AC there. Turn on the AC to when I don't, but get a coach my drive my face, sir.
Alright, well,
Yes. Yes, if she not win the Grammy, me retire. Have to win the Grammy, fully goes up. And she have talent behind it too.